Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound yen, I mean, it's definitely pushing down pretty hard, but we definitely don't have a break of structure to the downside, which would be right there. So anything we see to the downside still is very likely just a pullback to the last wave up, especially if we go up to like the daily time frame, because I'm still very bullish. I still think we should target the 78% to finish off this wave C of wave B. So keeping all that in mind, higher time frame is extremely important. That means that anything we see to the downside should just be a pullback to the last wave up. I would like to see a nice three-way pullback, but unfortunately the yen doesn't always make three-way pullbacks. A lot of times it just makes what I would call a mode wave correction, which is just an impulsive correction. But I'm definitely watching all these Fibonacci levels. I have no idea which level it's going to respect. But if I see a price do some sort of a double bottom break of structure, whether it happens at the 50, the 61.8, or the 78.6, I don't really care. I just know that if I see this picture at any one of those fib levels, then that definitely would be the entry that I would be looking for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, if you are trading the very short time frames, well below the 1 hour time frame, then I definitely would be recommending shorts until you do see that double bottom breaker structure at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.